All right, hello, guys. How are you doing? This is Rafa from Brazil, striking again. Let's start a new session here. Uh, Today is a very complicated day to me, guys. I have been working to um, morning late and on ESPN, so it's 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 been very difficult for me to follow the markets during midnight because I'm working at ESPN and commentating. So. Uh, it's like a double journey, and it's been very degrading to me, very degrading. I don't know if I can follow doing this. I want to be honest with all of you, and I didn't send any signals for the last couple of days, and I feel very bad about it, but I have been working a lot as well. So it's difficult because I want to keep doing things. I want to keep doing everything that I always have been done. But in the other hand, it's been very complicated to me to follow the markets and everything. And I have a contract to follow, right? I just can't um, surpass the contract and let that things that way. I should be following these things. Um, so it's been very complicated to me. I just and just opening my heart because I'm very tired. I'm very tired this week, especially. I have last time with family, last time with all my relatives and everything, and my parents, for instance, and they're very patient about it, and I can I can understand there's a thing, but it's complicated sometimes. But let's take a look at the markets. That's not the job, so let's be professional about this. We have AUD CAD here. First of all, guys, we have four brave souls over here. So please hit the like button. Please identify yourself. Send you good morning, guys. Very welcome. We have today important news. Uh, Let me see on investing economic calendar. Sorry. Um, yeah, they have raised their they have raised their interest rates on 75 to 7.75%. Sorry. And actually it was higher than expected, and we did have a spike on euro. Let me see. uh, uh, um I don't know if we have any spike on euro. Let me see that. Just a second, guys. The XY is pretty much stable. It went down yesterday. uh, Yeah, it has some spike, but it is mixed feelings because it was more than expected, right? It was expected due to the inflation situation with all of the problems that we are facing dealing with the Russian war and the menace of cutting out the gas for Europe, especially during the winter. So everything is just very difficult to the euro economy, and it is being it has been very complicated to understand where markets are going to go. So we should be facing instability on the short term, and on the long term I can see that we're going to see some downtrend on the euro. Okay. I'm just checking the news. If I don't see okay, just a second, guys. Just let me check this because I don't know if they raised All right. Mm, yeah, 0.75, I think. I think it's 0.75. Check this again. There's mixed information here. Yeah, it raised by 7.7 things to tame record inflation. Yeah, it's affecting money market raised yeah, right, 2.5, 2.75%. Yeah, isn't it? I still can't see. Good morning, Cold War. Good morning, Joseph. Um, economic calendar. Um, where we are? Yeah, 0.75, guys. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. 0.75. This is 0.75. Okay, it's just clear. So, many traders don't think that it's enough to tame the inflation. So they are trying to understand. Uh, they're trying to understand correctly uh, what does it means. Okay. All right. No. 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 Again. 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 Well, to they raised to 1.25%. Okay, 1.25%. They raised by 75 basis points to tame record inflation. Okay, okay. So that's the final uh information about this regarding this. Okay, all right. Are you following me? Okay, so let's just get back to charts. Let's go back to the charts. Please, guys, hit the like button and share this link with your groups, with your trading groups. Share the link with your friends and everybody who needs a good information about trading and trading routine and everything, right? So let's start our routine here. AUD CAD. Let's start with AUD CAD. We are on the 15 minutes just to have a better picture about what's ruling the markets right now. Nothing interesting by here. We have this entry. It was yesterday by night at the beginning of the Asian session. Doesn't seem me very consistent to place a trade, so we just let it go. AUDT is much more interesting right now. We have this almost perfect triple cross here. We have a strong ADX going down, so you were allowed to place a trade around this point here. Okay, you could be reaching something between 21 points, but uh, the trace it was retraced by almost everything, so you could be vanished in break even here. Okay, and then if you could re-enter the trade, I would advise you to wait because all of those economic calendar news can shake the markets, even though it's not related to the AUD or the chief. It's more related with Euro, which it's the cousin of chief, but it can affect markets anyway, right? AUD NZD, look at here. AUD USD, nothing very interesting. I don't like this. I don't like that kind of triple cross. Bitcoin, Cat Chief. This was a good entry over here. Not a best entry because the triple cross is not that good. It's not perfect, but we have a good entry over here. Okay. It was around, yeah, the beginning of the London session. Okay. So we are around at 33 pips. If we go to the 5 minutes, it's going to be a much better picture of it. Even though, again, I don't like this going it's not a perfect situation, right? And you should be waiting for the triple cross to split from each other, and even better if it goes through that support resistance over here. Sorry, this support over here. Look, no, come on, it's not here. Let me erase this. Let me make this better. Okay. No, here. No, come on. Here from here to here. It's very stubborn. This thing sometimes, isn't it? Oh, yeah, it's because I have the magnetics over here. Let me take this magnetic off. Yeah, they are stubborn, but I am very persistent. So it's from here to here. Okay, no magnetics. That is a support. Okay. So right after it reaches and when that support, it could be just erased by here. You could have placed your entry over here, and you would be in break even. Yeah, break even. Not very interesting. Break even at 6 pips, maybe six, but you could be reaching six. Yeah, you could be reaching just 6 pips. Okay. No re-enter. No re-enter from here. Okay. So it's still a uh, very challenging pair. Nothing interesting around CAD JPY. We have a clearly uptrend. The Chief JPY is now getting stronger. Let's wait for the. Let's wait. It's not a triple cross. It's not a perfect triple cross. It's away from being a perfect triple cross. But it's going. Okay, that's from yesterday. Let's erase it. I don't see interesting pairs, guys. I really don't see interesting pairs for now. Let's see the XY first. The XY, it's recovering. It's against the trend. Look, right now the dollar is going down. Okay, but yeah, that's what's happening here. Euro AUD. I don't know. I really don't know. Euro CAD. Yeah, ADX pointing down after a slant here. I don't like this. Euro Chief going down, but it's against the trend, so we let it go. Euro GBP, yeah, I don't like it as well. Euro was a buy bias, so let's let it here. Well, maybe we can have something here, okay? Euro GBP, it is clear an uptrend. We have a consolidation period over here, okay? It's not a perfect triple cross. It's not a perfect triple cross, but it's a very acceptable triple cross. Let's wait for the ADX to start to point up on a blue color, okay? With a higher angle, as possible, okay? Euro NZD, no, I don't like it. Euro BUSD, well, yeah, not very, very interesting again. All right, let's go to the GBPs. GBP AUD, yeah, mixed feelings here. Big upside movement, but it's just against the trend. A strong barrier here. Look at that. We can see from here to here. Okay. That's a support. We should be looking for a strong movement to try to break it. Okay. But again, it's a counter trend. It's just a trade against the trend. I don't like it. BBP CAD. Let me erase this mark from our trade yesterday. GBP Chief. Well, yeah, maybe you could. Yeah, that's not a perfect triple cross. Clearly, it's clearly not a perfect triple cross. Okay, look, it's far away from the baseline, which is the normalized moving average, but it was acceptable, even though I don't like this kind of moving average movement, right? So I would be taking the trade from here. Okay, it was against you for a while, but eventually it went down. 44 pips. Great. That was a good trade. It was much more than we need. Okay. That's much, much more than we need. 44 pips. It's a great trade for a scalping decision. Okay. And it was 15 minutes. Okay. If we down to the 5 minutes, you could have placed even a better position, even a better trade. Okay. Okay. I'm just giving you a best perspective on the 15 minutes. GBP, JPY, nothing very interesting. GBP, NZD as well. GBP, USD, very mixed feelings. It's going up. NZD CAD, mixed feelings as well. Look, up and down, up and down, up. We don't know what to think. It's clearly a counter trend. It's against the trend. NZD chief, NZD chief. Uh, well, it's interesting because I don't see anything happening here, and I I can't understand. Uh, I can understand why. Whoops, sorry. I can understand why these things happens. Okay, because the triple cross is just way longer, but it's still going down. So it's a strong and reliable indication, but it's not perfect. It's not clear, right? It's a downtrend, so we should be taking trends to the downside, but with volume. Okay, now we have a growing volume here. Look at this orange line here. That's a low volume, and then high volume. Okay, so let's just let's stay away from it. If you go to the sorry, if you go to the 5 minutes, maybe we're gonna have better entries. But look, I don't like it. I really don't like it. Too far away. That's a better uh triple cross. That's a better triple cross. That's one of the best triple cross I'd like to have. I like to take. Look, it's solid, it's consistent, it's low candles. You should be gaining 11 pips here. Great, great, great. No problem. It's good. Important, it's the longer run. Okay? NZG Chief, NZG JPY, no, no, no. NZD USD, no. I don't see anything. Uh, USD CAD, mixed feelings. Look at these guys. We don't have any good trades for today. I can see that. Maybe there's something being saving for tomorrow or for next week, but not a very good week for now. Okay, so USD JPY just ends our route. Okay, let's see oil going up, but mixed feelings as well after this huge down. And the Vikes, yeah, it's going down as well. So, guys, not very interesting. I think that's the best trade we can have for now, even though I don't feel very comfortable. Okay, but you can trade it. Okay, if you don't feel uncomfortable with this triple cross, not that good, not that perfect. Okay, so goes low on your lot size hand. Okay. All right, we have 8 brave souls here. Please identify yourselves, guys. Please hit the like button. First of all, hit the like button. That's mandatory. I really appreciate that. Today, gonna have a shorter session because I have to deliver my kid at school. So it's 10:30 here in Brazil. So we're gonna be more. We're gonna be more quick this time. Okay. I don't see anything going on. Shade Bennett, good morning, good morning, good morning, Shade, good morning. Good morning as well to Cold War with this beautiful sunset at California, I think, isn't it? Santa Monica. No, not Santa Monica. It's near Riverside, a place where I have been some moments for some time. Mm, let's go to the 5 minutes and check the route. Well, something's going on here. Although it's very shaky, very shaky. Okay. AUD NZD, AUD USD. I don't like it. Counter trend. Nope. Nope. That's Bitcoin. Cat Chief going down. Look. Cat Chief's going down. Not a perfect entry. Not a better angle slant, but let's see. Let's see what happens. Cat JPY. Chief JPY. Well, that's the pair we are taking a look, right? Isn't it? Yes or no? I don't remember. DXY going down. Counter trend. Now it's going up. Now it's going down. It's mixed feelings, guys. Markets are not uh, going to one direction. There is no direction clearly. There's no direction clearly. So I think the best thing is just to stay away, guys. It's the best thing to be done, my opinion. Look at Euro. It's going up again. We have the speech, right? Yeah, we have Fed Powell's speech, which is going to be crazy in a matter of woo, matter of 20 minutes. So guys, stay away from the markets. Okay? Stay away from the markets. Now we have the speech of the Christine Lagarde, which is the head of ECB. The head of ECB. Waste of time games. How are you? Did you close the GBP USD from yesterday? Oh, let me see. It's here. It was the 1 hour trade, isn't it? I think it didn't reach my take profit or my stop loss, so it's still going. Okay. This account here, this particular account that I'm showing you right now, it's a demo account. Okay. So in my personal account, I didn't close. Still going down. So let's wait. Let's wait. We have to wait. Look at the 4 hour. It's clearly going down. Okay. We just have to wait a while. Wait for a little bit more. Where we were here, Chief GPY. Well, look, it's a good entry. Okay. Look at the 4 hour. Look how beautiful this is. Look, I really encourage you to take trades from higher time frames. Really encourage you because it's even better. Works even better. It's just amazing. Ooh, 500 pips, almost 470 for 3 days only. 3 days only. Sorry, 8 days. 8 days. It's incredible. I really like it. Again, it's clearly how it works better on higher time frames. It's incredible. Well, that's a trade here, guys. That's a trade, right? That's a trade, okay? Chief JPY, you can clearly get in, okay? You can clearly get into this trade, okay? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning for you too. Guys, I have to go to the bathroom and I'll be back right away. Don't go nowhere, please. All right, I'm back. Uh, just a second, guys. Okay, right. Okay, here we go. Uh, any particular questions? Do you have any kind of doubts? Waste of Time Games is asking for GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Let's take a look. Guys, I really don't see any good thing happening, okay? I really don't. I really don't see anything happening, okay? GBP AUD, we have a big uptrend here, okay? There is a resistance over here. We are on a downtrend. Look, the father is telling me to go down. My father is selling, although my brother is buying. And if we see something more strong here with a better ADX, with a triple cross splitting from each other, maybe we can have something. But for now, I really don't think it should be placing trades regarding the speech of Mr. Jerome Powell. Okay? Look, up and down. Euro is going crazy, crazy, crazy. There will be 10 minutes to Fed Powell speech, so stay away from the charts. Stay away from the charts, okay? Mixed feelings here, mixed feelings. Guys, I really have to take a ride. I have a school run to go, okay? There is nothing very interesting today, guys. I'm sorry for that. I really don't see anything happening. I really don't. Well, let's wait for this, okay? Let's just wait for this. That would be a better entry, but even though nothing particular, not very, very interesting, not very interesting at all. Our stop loss should be around here. And when Mr. Jerome Powell start to speak, it's gonna be crazy, crazy, crazy. 1 to 1 risk ratio. Remember, I don't see anything, guys. I really don't. But especially because markets are not that comfortable with this uh, high important news almost on the same moment. Okay, so it happens. It happens a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. Let's see. Yeah, that's correct. Any other question, guys? I'll have to close our live session. Unfortunately, there's no interesting pairs. I have a school run to make, and I don't think you have any other questions. Do you have any questions? Do you have any news? Do you have anything that you can or do you like to share? I'll have to arrange things here at my house. I don't see any good trades here. Okay. I don't see any good trades at all. We just should be waiting. We just should be waiting. We should not be doing anything right now, in my opinion. Okay. In my opinion, AUD Chief is going down as well. Look at that. Because Chief is getting stronger. Okay. Chief is getting stronger. That's why we are long here. All right. Okay, guys. Would like to thank you very, very much. Uh, I hope you guys have a nice day. Watch out your trading. In my opinion, stay away from the charts. There's nothing very interesting right now. Stay away from the charts. Wait for that uh, economic storm to go away because it's very risky to trade right now. It can go up and down erratically with no clear direction, uh, uh, with no clear reason, right? The movements can be very irrational. So all the indicators will have lots of trouble to identify what is going on. Okay. And I think we should be just waiting for all of these things to arrange itself out, and then we go back to trading. Okay. I'll have to close it earlier today. Okay, guys. Okay. Handy Teddy. Uh, Handy Teddy. Looking for 4 hour and 5 minute entry. Well, it depends. It depends, Hangy. It depends. Okay. I'll try to explain it better tomorrow. Okay. I'll try to explain it better tomorrow. Okay, guys. All right. Thank you very much for attending this. If you did not hit the like button, please do so. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. This is pretty much important to show you, for you to show the support for the channel. Share this link with other members, with other Forex traders that may be interested on this kind of information. All right. I'm looking forward to meet all of you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.